Welcome to the series called Through the New Testament. Now, in this series, we're going to help you and your group to read through the New Testament. This is a 24-week New Testament reading plan, but we're going to break it into 6 4-week series to give your group some flexibility. Maybe you'll want to take a break in between some of these 4-week series as you read through the New Testament and get into some of the other series available at pursuegod.org. Now, here's what you should do as a group member. You should try to finish the readings on your own before you come to group. And if it's your first time reading it, don't get too intimidated. You know, there's only 10 chapters a week, more or less, in the readings, and it's intended to be more devotional reading. We're going to help you through your understanding of the New Testament with these videos. So each week when you come to group, there will be 3 videos. The first 2 videos will cover some major themes or interesting insights from the week's readings. And the third video will preview the upcoming week's reading. In fact, let's go ahead and do that now. Let's preview week 1, which is John chapters 1 through 10. You're going to see that this is all about the person and work of Jesus Christ. It's a great way to start your reading of the New Testament because it's so helpful to understand the centrality of Jesus to the message of the entire Bible. Now, one more note about how we've structured the reading plan. We're not going to actually cover the New Testament from Matthew to Revelation, reading straight through. We're going to jump around a little bit and try to give you a little bit more of a chronological reading. So if you're going to read this together as a group, why don't you start reading John chapters 1 through 10, and we'll see you next week to discuss the readings.